Let me tell you something most people never learn. Respect is not requested. It is felt. The moment you walk into a room, you've seen it before. Someone enters quietly. No noise, no ego, yet the energy shifts. People notice. Conversations pause. Eyes follow. That isn't luck. That isn't height, money, or fame. That is presence. And today, I'll show you 7 powerful steps to walk like a king and command respect everywhere you go. Step 1. Slow down your movements. Kings do not rush. Only the uncertain move fast. When you walk, walk slightly slower than everyone else. Not lazy, not careless, but controlled. Fast movements signal anxiety. Slow movements signal authority. Lower your shoulders. Relax your jaw. Let each step land with intention. People subconsciously read this as, this person is in control. Step 2. Master your posture before you speak. Before your words speak, your body already has. Straight spine. Chest open, not puffed. Head level, not tilted down. Poor posture says, I hope I'm accepted. Strong posture says, I belong here. You don't need to stare people down. You don't need to flex confidence. Your posture does the talking silently. Step 3. Control your eye contact. Weak eye contact avoids. Aggressive eye contact attacks. Kings do neither. Hold eye contact when you speak. Break it slowly, not nervously. When listening, maintain calm focus. This signals emotional stability. Remember, the person who controls eye contact controls the interaction. Step 4. Speak less, but with weight. Respect is not built by talking more. It's built by saying less, better. Pause before you respond. Let silence work for you. When you speak clearly, speak calmly. End your sentences without raising your tone. People listen harder to those who don't rush to be heard. Silence is not weakness. Silence is confidence under control. Step 5. Dress like you respect yourself. This is not about expensive clothes. It's about intentional presentation. Clean, well-fitted, simple. When you dress well, you send one message. I value myself. And people treat you accordingly. You don't need trends. You need consistency. A king wears what reflects his standards, not others' approval. Step 6. Regulate your emotions in public. The fastest way to lose respect? Emotional reactions, anger, defensiveness, over-explaining. A king remains unmoved. That doesn't mean emotionless. It means controlled. When something triggers you, pause, breathe, respond, don't react. The person who controls emotions controls the room. Step 7. Walk with purpose, even when no one is watching. Here's the truth. You can't fake presence. How you walk alone is how you'll walk in public. Move like your time matters. Stand like your space matters. Sit like you chose the seat, not like you were allowed to sit there. Respect begins with self-respect, and the world reflects what you project. You don't need permission to walk like a king. You don't need applause. You don't need validation. Respect follows those who master themselves. So tomorrow, when you step outside, slow down, stand tall, speak with intention. Because a king is not crowned. A king is recognized. Walk accordingly,